QMM is a software that improves quality monitoring and management in the shop floor by providing real-time visibility of quality issues. Developed from ISO 9001:2015 quality standards, QMM runs on the web and allows companies to carry out the quality operations from anywhere. The key benefits of QMM are 100% specifications alignment between planning and inspection, efficient quality data collection for 30 to 50% productivity improvement, real-time monitoring and visibility of quality issues. QMM consists of 5 main modules: control plan management, data collection, process monitoring, dashboard, and analytics. Quality planning for the shop floor begins with the control plan. QMM provides an electronic interface to create control plan. User can key in the specifications or use OCR to extract the specifications from the drawing. SPC process monitoring setup in the control plan is fast and easy. The user only needs to specify the sample size and frequency, and QMM will complete the rest of the setup. After creation, the control plan goes through an electronic approval process. The control plan management also follows good ISO document practice of version control and maintaining records of the changes. During inspection, specifications are taken from the control plan, which ensures 100% alignment between planning and inspection. The web-based data collection interface lets the inspector know instantly if the measurement passes or fails. QMM has many options for capturing data, including manual key-in, OCR, and automatic data retrieval from CMM. The SPC process monitoring can be used for both high-mix, low-volume, and high-volume manufacturing, and sends notifications in real time if there is any abnormality. Process capability reports tracks long-term stability and variation in processes. The real-time dashboard provides up-to-date information on factory quality KPIs and drill-down Pareto charts. Finally, in the analytics module, user can analyze historical quality performance trend and compare the performance between processes, products, or machines. If there are further questions on QMM, please do not hesitate to contact us.